Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to access your files for your Butts and Guts program. Okay, so you guys all should have received an invite into the Butts and Guts program. So mine here has a shortcut here on the side for Butts and Guts. If you don't have that yet, you can add that. If not, go here to the top. Okay, you can go here to the top and you can find new groups. It's going to take you to this, all different types of suggestions, and then I click on groups, and this is going to take you to anything that you're a part of. Okay, so it's part of my favorites. Your groups is what it should be under. Alright, but I have a favorites once again, so that's where that shortcut came into handy. So you're going to click on the Butts and Guts 2019 challenge. Alright, and then the easiest way to access everything, guys, is click on this more button. Sorry, not more there. This is from the desktop version. If you're in your phone, it'll have a spot where it says File, kind of here in this top portion. But if you're on your desktop, it's Files here. And then here is going to be the access to everything that you need. Your Getting Started checklist, the manual, recipe manual, dining out guide, and then right now there's only meal plan week 1 in there. We'll be adding more of those in there. So as we add more of those, you'll get a notification that tells you that that was put in there. It'll be on the discussion board right here. Guys, this is also where you guys will post things for us and remind us whenever you finish your workout and things of that nature. So hope that helps you guys out. Make sure that you're in this page. If you're not, click on the link that's inside your email that you just got. Thank you guys.